Hello, hello, speakers, and welcome to your storytelling time. Today, we talk about the family. Are you ready? Awesome. So, the Garcia family. The Garcia family is a typical family in Mexico. There is dad, mom, and two children, Sofia and Mateo. Every day, the family wakes up early to start their daily routine. So you see, we talk about daily routine. A daily routine is in present. We start our day with actions in present because they are facts. So you see, every day the family wakes up. So wake up is the first action in the day of your daily routine. Okay? Next, mom gets up at 6 a.m. to prepare breakfast. She goes to the kitchen and turns on the gas to heat water for coffee. Meanwhile, Dad showers and gets dressed for work. He is an engineer and works in an office in the city center. You see, second step, daily routine. Mom gets up at 6. Meanwhile, Dad. Mientras tanto. Mom is in the kitchen. Dad is in the bathroom. She heats water. He showers. Okay? Next step. Sofia and Mateo get up at 7 a.m. and get ready to go to school. Sofia is a high school student. Mateo is an elementary student. And they get dressed with their uniforms and have breakfast with the family. So you see, the third step of the morning early routine. The children, they get dressed and they have breakfast. So you see different activities for your daily routine. Wake up, get up, shower, heat water, make coffee, get dressed, go to school, go to work. Are you ready to tell me your story? Don't forget, click, follow, and comment. Comenten porque eso nos sirve a nosotros para saber qué más necesitan ustedes para continuar creciendo en este importante viaje de aprendizaje del inglés. See you soon, speakers. Bye-bye.